Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create logos on multiple niche. You can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can sell this service on social media pages and ask them that you can create a beautiful logo for them. And you can go to websites related to your niche and ask them that you can create a logo for their websites, or you can target offline market. Means there are endless opportunities for this skill, and this is very easy skill to learn. It just take 2 to 3 minutes. So in today's video I will teach you about how you can create artwork logo in Canva. So let's go towards Canva. If you don't know about Canva, canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online. It is very easy and handy to use. It is easy to learn. You can easily learn in some time. And if you want to know completely about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I upload the complete playlist series in which is named as Canva designing course. And after watching the course, I will surely say that you know almost everything about Canva. So must check out the playlist. So let's move towards our video. So I click on create a design. Here I search logo, and 500 by 500 is the mostly used template. So it is loading, wait for some seconds. So I click on element, and here I search artwork, graphics, and let's see, we have to choose, and our dummy company name is Zen Gallery, Zen Arts. So let's see. And this one is good. Yeah, I like this one. I select the text, and here I write scene arts. Change the font. It's look good. After that, decrease the size, place it here. Let's check out some colors. Yeah, this look good. So our logo is ready. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and learn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.